Yo, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to YK Recreation. We've got the blue Subaru here today again. Well, it ain't gonna move, is it? Because it's not starting, so that's why we're here today. But the problem is, we need to check fuel, we need to check spark, and then go from there, because that's the two main things what helps it fire up. So before we start, do you know what? We're gonna need a bit of help today. So let me see where the YK Recreation fam is, because we are going to struggle slightly today. Let's see who's about. Let's see who can give us a hand and get involved. Get me involved.
Hello?
Yo, what's happening?
I'm alright, what's happening?
Just here, man. I'm going to start on the blue Subaru, but we need a bit of help, man. It's not starting up. We need a bit of help. Where are you?
No way, I'm in the area. I'll just come down.
You come then. We need your help. We need your help.
I know I'll grab. I'll buy some, I'll grab some.
Grab him. Come on, let's start on this.
I'll be there.
Alright, okay. See what I mean? They're on it.
What's up?
Oh, these are got you quick. See what I mean? This is the sort of people you need, man, around you to instant calls, mate. Or they'll be there 30 seconds, mate. You know what happens? Yeah, so yeah, we're here. Let's start. Let's make a start. What we're going to be doing first is, I think personally, check the fuses, put the spark plugs in, check the coil packs, and then see if it fires up, because I've already put fuel in it from the last episode. So yeah, you ready?
Yeah. Ready to go, mate?
We're ready. Just opposite. Yes, Bigfoot. He's got the battery. Look, he's carrying it like it's nothing.
Big arms, isn't it?
Big arms, bro. So go on then, put the battery in.
I did the tray's a bit wet, man.
Yeah, it's probably because these things here, water must be coming in from here. Go on, you go the other side, and you hold them terminals up for him. You know what terminals are? Not like terminal 1 and 2 at the airport. These sides plus.
Yeah,
so
this way, yeah.
That's plus, yeah, so that way there. You got the spark plugs?
Yeah.
Right, so before I put the spark, let's do the easy one first. So let's do the fuel filter. So to do the fuel filter, we need a Phillips. Let's see if you can work out how to take the fuel filter out.
There's a bracket hole in it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a big clip.
Yeah, it is a big clip, you're right.
What, do you need pliers?
No.
What do you need?
I've seen something, but I don't know if it's gonna work, because it is 27 years old. There's like a flip. Look on my side. See that flip thing? Yeah, flip that.
This?
Yeah, flip it. Yes, it still works. I thought you might flip it and it might snap.
No, it's working.
Right. Fluid?
Oh, strong.
Why are you trying to stop? Yeah, it's V-power in it, man. Smells like a bit like water.
Golden smell.
Okay, bro. You got me there. Do you know how I used to learn when I was your age? I used to just watch and observe.
That's what I'm doing.
That's what you're doing, yeah. That's the best thing to do. And then you can try it later on.
All runs out.
Do you know what, actually, guys, put a comment in the comment section below if you want us to rip this up, yeah, and see how dirty it was inside. So comment below I'm gonna make a video of opening this up to see how dirty it is in this really old fuel filter. So that's the clips tight, fuel filter in. That's one thing that we've changed. We probably need to change every part on this car, but yeah, fuel filter has been the first one. Spark plugs, boy. Where's the spark plugs? Put that packet back down. Just leave it, you don't have to shut it. Alright then, Mr. Cool Dude. Open that. Put your hand up. What's the problem?
He's never done a spark plug.
You've never done a spark plug before. Some people have to take the engine out to do the spark plug, so you have to take the engine out.
No.
Yeah.
No, you screw it into
Some people take the engine out.
That goes into there, so it's there straight.
Goes all the way in there. So you want the short extension, and the first socket. Has it got a rubber inside here? Why are you putting it in this hole, man? It goes in this way. Might want to put a bit of paper in.
You get stuck a bit in it.
Yeah. So it doesn't move out. Bit of plastic or something. That is literally how much space you've got. This side's not too bad, yeah, you can get this side in. How you gonna do this side?
Can't see him.
Oi, look at all this stuff. Ooh, good look, mate, good look.
Why did you put the bag in?
We're not doing this side yet. Let's just get it started. Get it to the back garden. And then we can mess with it after.
What if we need spark plugs this side to start?
Hopefully it doesn't.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Where are they, man? I can't see you. Where are they?
That's how tight it is. But I've got a trick. I'll show you all the trick how I do this side.
Take the body off.
So stay tuned. Oh, look at that.
Whoop whoop! It is under the police. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? Is it a helicopter?
It's a bloody bug. What we need to do now is test the coil packs. So to test them, you need to unplug the wires there. I'll show a separate video of how to test the coil packs because we want to get this fired up today. So yeah, I'll make a separate video of that. If you will be interested, drop a comment in the comment section below. Okay, so we've got the coils on. Let's put the battery on. See, the battery's a bit wobbly. Not the battery, the earth. Sorry.
Yeah. It's a bit...
So what I do is, yeah, this screw here.
Oh, that's what it was there for.
Yeah. So just put that screw in there.
Hammer it in.
No, screwdriver it. Just so it doesn't move. Because why we're putting the battery on is we're not starting it up just yet. We're gonna check the fuses. Call editing. Here. Where the hell are you putting the earth strap? Putting the earth.
What the hell is that?
What is it? It's only a bit of mud. Is the earth what? Is it on? Yeah. Ignition on. All right.
That's live.
What's it dead?
That's dead. It's dead. 20 out.
What's dead? The last.
No, it's got a. I can see the fuse. Yeah, so it looks alright. Right, these are dead ones. That one's alright. That one's alright. Right. So these are like relays.
Oh.
So I think the ignition, the coil pack one is gonna be inside. So if you take that.
Probably been that side, didn't it?
Driver side, mate.
Should we turn this car into a rally car?
Turn into a rally car?
Yeah.
We could do, but the problem is rallying is very expensive. So unless you get like about 500,000 subscribers, until then we will go, and then we'll go rallying. We'll make our own rally car. People subscribe, yes, but subscribe to our channel.
Give me one for like.
No. Nothing here.
It's got fuses there.
Yeah, the other. See him?
Put this seat back a bit. That's the right face, mate. He's, you know what that face is? That's a face that spider's gonna come and land on his head. Shoma, let me see if we can read what.
I do all blue.
Right.
There's one fuse missing.
Which one's the ignition one? Yeah, sometimes they do have fuses missing. But they won't be for other stuff.
Don't be the same.
Right, okay.
Here's the tester.
You got the tester. You need to put the earth wire on. Let me just show him where it is. Move it on 1 second. Right, so he's up there, guys. I'm just gonna let him test these, and then if you find one dud, we'll let you know. Right, okay, so they've tested all the fuses, and all the fuses are okay. So let's prime the fuel pump. Plus, don't forget, because we put fuel filter in, we need the fuel to fill up. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's alive!
One crank.
One crack! One crack and it's alive, my brother!
It's pumping, it's
Still,
pumping.
yeah, still got a misfire.
What is that? Contacts might know when you're changing our spark plugs.
Whoa. Oh.
Coil second.
Oh.
That might be the fuel just going out, come back in.
Sound like a race car.
Out of V3.
Oh. Definitely got a misfire.
A little bit.
Yeah, he's got a big misfire.
There was an inch of him turning off.
Yeah.
Why is it smoking?
That's all the oil and water that's been, falling on it and stuff. That's all that. Go get the pumper, we need to pump them wheels up, the wheels are flat. Get the pumper, the wheels are flat. But it's alive. That's a relief. That's a relief, because when you don't want to hear, I was proper fine with it. I took the Sparkplugs out, I took the coils out, and then
I think it was.
I think the spark plugs are going to need changing. Spark plug, and sometimes what happens is, this might be a bit loud, but sometimes what happens is, the fuses, when you take them out, move back, you move about, test them, they start working, because don't forget they do get a bit corroded. So yeah, sometimes it can even be somewhat small as that, but it does have a big misfire, you can hear it. So what the plan is to get these in the back garden now, and then start working on it. So yeah, make sure you have subscribed if you're new to the channel. We're not going just yet, don't worry. Oh my god, that was a big backfire.
What is it, exhausting?
Just there, it's just got the downpipe on it, that's why it's so loud. Should I pull it out a bit, or are you going to pump it up here? You alright?
There's no bracket above the body.
No bracket, yeah, we're going to have to get one.
Oh, I thought you had it.
I don't know, might be in the car. Someone. Was it totally low? Is it flat? Right. Probably need some new wheels for this as well.
Are you gonna push it?
Push it. I'm on the car, drive. Watch this. What is? The brakes might be seized a bit.
Shots.
Doesn't sound very happy.
The good news is, it's not seized, It's not seized, so that's really good. But we're gonna have to probably refurbish every single caliper and every single disc and brake on the car. Yeah.
It needs a full
But did
service.
you hear it? It sounded sick.
Yo, people, it's only over 5 years old. That's you. Where's the exhaust, mate? Look for it, go on, look for it. There's no exhaust. What happened?
The windows open.
Another problem.
Another problem.
No fuse, we checked the fuses.
None of them. Maybe the switch or something. Alright, let's go.
Reverse light works. What the fuck? Beast is in his shed.
Bloody hell. Yeah? It's made it to the back garden.
Yeah.
So now this is where the real fun begins. First we need to find out what this misfire is. Do you know what? Forget all this. We're going to explain it all to you in the next video. So make sure you like, share and subscribe. Follow our journey. See you in the next one.
Peace out.
Peace out, mate.